everyone! It's Saturday morning here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and we're out here with Bella, vegan dog. And as you guys know, she loves to fetch some sticks in the water. Look at the sky behind me, it's so wonderful. Hey, beautiful. Look at this beautiful dog. So we adopted Bella from the SPCA in Montreal, Quebec, Canada when she was, we're not sure how old she was, but under a year or so. And how we ended up with her is that we went there just to quote unquote look at the dogs and sort of help out, do some volunteer work and walk one of them. And we saw Bella there and we took her for a walk and then we kind of fell in love with her. But you know, adopting a dog is a big decision. So we didn't want to make a mistake and you know, commit to something that is just so big. You know, you have to have money in the bank for vet bills. You have to buy the proper vegan dog food. You have to be willing to be home a lot. You can't just leave whenever you want to. So what we did is when we saw her there, we went home and still not ready. We went home and we thought about it, and then the next day my husband and I both looked at each other and said, you know what, we actually do want to adopt this dog. So we went back to see and she was still there. So that was really great. Now, as you see often on the beach, people just drop whatever, it's just throw it up. So if you see any trash on the beach, what you can do is you can pick it up and you can just go to a garbage can. And that kind of helps a little bit. Let's pick up a couple things here. Oh, this thing's attached. I think that's something that's attached by the city to make sure that the whole beach doesn't go back into the water. It's just random pieces here. I'm going to go up to the garbage over here with this. And what about you guys? Are you ever out on your bikes and you see some stuff flying around? You can just pick it up and help out a bit. Now, the best thing you can do, though, if you care about the environment, is to become vegan, because the eco footprint of animal agriculture is really the main problem that we have.
It is the position of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics that an appropriately planned vegan diet is healthful for all stages of life, including pregnancy, lactation, infancy, adolescence, older adulthood, and for athletes.
You can be vegan.
Plant-based diets are more environmentally sustainable than diets rich in animal products because they use fewer natural resources. If you care about the future of the planet and keeping it livable for future generations, it's time to stop consuming meat, dairy, and eggs.
You can be vegan.
People all around the world are vegan. You don't need to eat meat, dairy, or eggs. Vegan foods are not more expensive. You can buy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in bulk. You can live a long, happy, healthy life without being cruel. So why pay for murder if you don't have to?
You can be vegan. Thank you for listening to this melody. Now you know you can be vegan. You'll feel great, you will see. Thank you for listening to this song. If you liked it, click the like button and sing along.
Oh, before we go on, have a look at my shirt. It says, vegan because I care beyond myself. And you? So that's something for you guys to ponder if you're not vegan yet. All right. You ready to go, Bella? This is Bella, vegan dog, by the way. She's been vegan since August 2017. And she's doing great. All right, let's throw the stick. 1, 2, 3. There she goes. So Bella is a very healthy, normal dog. As you can see, she can swim like any other dog, and the vets have checked her out. Her pee is normal, her poo is normal, everything about her is completely normal. So you don't need to worry about her. I know a lot of you are worried about her, and that's understandable. I mean, before becoming vegan ourselves, I did not know that dogs could be vegan. I thought to myself, well, they're just like wolves. Surely they're going to not be okay, but then I realized they can. It'll be totally fine.
Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive.
So we feed Bella regular dog food. It looks like regular dog food, but it's actually vegan completely. So it looks like regular dog food in that it's these brown little pellets. If you've been watching this channel, you've probably seen it before. And she gets 2 cups a day, so in the morning and in the evening. Bella's funny. You see, if I come close to the stick, she's like, no, I haven't finished chewing it yet. I want to keep chewing that stick. But if I walk away nonchalantly, she'll kind of get tired of it after a while, and she'll be ready for me to throw it again. All right, so Bella looks like she's ready to go jumping in again. You can see she has her tail up there, just like any other dog. She's been checked by the vet. Who says everything's fine. She's had her blood work checked. And so I'm not suggesting that you feed your dog just anything. You can't just feed your dog celery and expect him or her to be okay. You gotta feed them healthy vegan dog food. So you get some that's vet approved. There's several brands on the market, and then she'll be doing fine. All right, let's throw this again. Ready, Bella? 1, 2, 3. Here she goes. This is absolutely the highlight of Bella's day. She loves chasing sticks in the water. And sometimes there have been ducks out there and she just ignores them. She would rather get the stick, play with the stick, fetch the stick and bring it back to the beach and chew on that than she would to go and chew on any birds out there. She's had plenty of opportunity to eat animals. We've been around lambs in the past and she has taken no interest whatsoever in hurting them either.
The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, we will rise to protect them. The most innocent, amen. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, you know it in your heart, and you know where to start. We will be better. We will be vegan.
I always say that it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Gotta get the message in your head and your heart. But you're at the right place to start. Being vegan is absolutely wonderful for everybody. It helps provide plenty of protein for people of all ages, helps heal your gut microbiome, increases your fiber intake, feels great, makes you live longer, decreases your chances of a heart attack, allows animals to remain free, not kidnapped, enslaved, or harmed. You know, it's just great. Also reduces pollution from factory farming, helps our planet rejuvenate, and reduces our chances of getting colon cancer. I mean, what more would you want? Being vegan is good for everybody. It's good for you. It's definitely best for the animals so they don't have to be harmed. And it's great for the planet. It's a win-win-win. Nobody loses.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open that vegan door.
So thank you everyone for being here today with me. Really appreciate that. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. If you care about animals and you want to help me save them, the more people that press like and subscribe, the better it is. The more we can get the message out there that vegan dogs can be completely healthy and that you also can be healthy. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.
Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Welcome to heaven on earth. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.